In this video is going to demonstrate to GSTR to a reconciliation. GSTR to a reconcile with purchase data, easy way to reconcile, save your time and efforts. No other software required except Microsoft Excel. Big or small data, this tool will take care. It will take few minutes to process data. Automatic email notification to vendors. First step, go to Government GSTN portal, log in your user ID. You can download 2A data from portal, and save it to the folder month-wise. File name should be a month name portal.xlsx. For example, April portal.xlsx. GSTRecontool is provide portal data converter utility. This utility will merge all month portal data into one file. It will realign to your portal data. Click Browse button. Select Portal Data folder. After selected Portal Data folder, click Convert Data button. Data process started. Wait until data process completes. New file will be generate. Now your portal data is as per our templates is ready. Now you can save into folder, which is going to use to our recon purpose. Open your GSTRecontool. Tool will provide purchase and vendor master templates. You can download templates by clicking this icon. If you click purchase data near icon, it will download purchase data templates. It is standard format. Details to have: GSTN number, vendor name, invoice number, date, and GST tax details. You must maintain the same format. If you have data in different formats or file, then you can copy and paste into this file, as shown format, and save it. Vendor master templates. It requires very minimum details, like vendor name, GSTN number, email ID address to, email ID CC to. If you have existing file, you can copy and paste it into vendor master data, and save it. You must maintain same format. Now we have 3 file is ready to reconcile. First, click Browse button and select Purchase Data file. Second, click Browse button and select Portal Data file. Third, click Browse button and select Vendor Master file. Accepted difference, for example, X vendor IGST amount 112 rupees is enter into our books of accounts. The same vendor uploaded to portal IGST amount is 110 rupees only. Difference is 2 rupees. In this case, accepted difference going to help you. If you maintain 10 rupees, this tool is consider plus or minus 10 rupees, consider as a accepted match category. Above X vendor under the matched accepted diff category, to be shown to our reports. Fine, now we have to ready to reconcile data. Magic in this tool, to happen by way of clicking, Reconcile Data button. Wait, processing data to reconcile. Once reconcile is over, RECONCILE will give you messages done. Click it OK. Click Summary button. Beauty of this tools, to clearly understand this report. You can see summary details, serial number 1 to 10 category. Summary has a matched record, matched accepted difference, invoice date difference by accepted, invoice number mismatch, etc. Now you can see portal data missing and internal data missing. Portal data missing nothing but, we have accounted bills, but vendor or supplier has not uploaded to the GSTN portal. This details will be informed to vendor by way of sending email. Internal data missing nothing but, vendor or supplier has uploaded to GSTN portal. But we have not accounted our books of accounts. After confirm, you have to account to book of accounts and avail GST tax credit. You want to know the bill detail, as shown serial number 1 to 10 category, how to get the details. Click Export Report button, and you will get new file. New file has summary and category-wise sheets. It has portal and purchase bill-wise details. You can save it into your folder. Email Notification Center. Go and click Email Setup button. You can see or enter into body of email letter. And go and click Send Email buttons. Have you seen further options of selecting box? Value difference less than purchase, value difference more than purchase, and portal data missing. Portal data vendor list below. You have select individual vendor or select all button to send email. If you want sent email selected vendor, then go to sent mail column, select yes or no, then click send email to selected buttons. Further confirmation asking GST tool. Do you want to see email prior to sending? If press yes, your email ready to show you. After press send button, mails has been sent to vendor. If you press no, mail has been sent, without preview email. Thanking you for watching this video. We hope this GST Recon tools is useful to you. If yes, we will provide trial version to you. Send a request to gstrecontool@gmail.com. Thank you.